Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing last minute manicure for Christmas, and I love these are super easy to do. So you want to apply on your base something that it's going to be similar to this nail polish that I'm using. I will have the name of nail polishes that I use in the description box, but you can choose to your liking. But I had this one, which is like light blue with some beautiful shimmer. I don't know how you would call this nail polish. It's very pretty, but you need a base underneath so it gives you like the fullest opacity. And you want to apply that. Once that is done, I'm going now with this one by OPI, which I absolutely love. It's perfect, and I'm randomly applying this nail polish onto my nail just to create some kind of like pattern, but not really, because we're going to stamp our nails like over the base that we are creating right now. So I'm randomly just applying gold and then adding quick dry top coat, so this is all dried very fast, because when it comes to stamping, your nails have to be fully dry. Here is a little plate that I'll be using. You can use any plate of your choice that you have, and then I'm just going to stamp it onto my nails. And I picked out these designs that I haven't used, and I love them. They're so cute. And I also decided to add a little snowman right there into like my nail. It's so cute. I adore it. Then I'm going to top it up with some top coat again to just seal everything in, add beautiful shine, and just kind of melt everything together. And there you have it, your manicure is all set. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas Eve, and I hope you have a great time celebrating Christmas if you celebrate it, and I hope that you have a blessed day and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.